Huai'an Goodlife Textile is a professional textile exporter located in the beautiful city of Huai'an, Jiangsu Province, China. We are committed to becoming the most popular enterprise among customers, employees, and partners through a standardized and transparent corporate culture and a stable and dedicated development model. Our annual capacity is over $10 million and our products are widely exported to the USA, Europe, Australia, Oceania, Mideast, and Africa for bath towels, hand towels, face towels, hotel towels, baby towels, gym towels, beach towels, poncho towel, bathrobes, blankets, bedding sheet, etc. We have a professional design team and the ability to quickly respond to orders. It provides us with a production time much lower than that of our peers. Multi-channel efficient transportation methods such as air, sea, land, FedEx, DHL, UPS have also greatly shortened our delivery time and delivered the goods to customers faster. After 7 years of hard work, we have gradually established a competitive advantage in OEM and ODM service. We don't just provide wholesale textile products. We care about our customers and their end users. We do our best to support our customers in solving any problems they may face. We are proud to provide the perfect unit for our business partner and their end users. If you have any questions about our products or services, please feel free to contact us, and we will get back to you as soon as possible.